Okay, this one is very interesting, and I actually saw it, and I could not understand why they were doing so. Listen to this. Opening Paroches. Paroches is curtains on in front of Aron Kodesh. Sometimes it's actually in a few places that I saw, like it was not a curtain like from made of from the fabric, like velvet or something like, but it was actually the doors, and some synagogues they have doors, and of course the fancy schmancy, very tall, like wooden doors, probably cost a fortune with all the carvings and writing. And it would be like half right, so it's like at the dome, right? And so it was like start writing a verse from the left and can continue to the right, or from right to the left, from right to the left, right? So, and when they open up, it looks like they breaking, right? And sometimes they have image, and I also saw it. I'm not sure, like what these people think. Right, but the image, they break image into. But on one hand, on another hand, the image is. I'll look carefully. It's not exactly to the edge. There is like maybe, I don't know, 1.5 inch from this side, but from the far, I mean, it looks like that, almost a complete image. Okay. So what is meant, like you break the image, like same as this. What is it? Letters, stamped letters, and some is this Paroches. It is permitted to draw apart two sides of split Paroches, even if two sides together form a united design. It is similar, but usually in most of the shuls, like I don't know, I was at 99% of the shuls, they have only one curtain, right? Doors. Doors, do they have doors? If they have doors, I apologize. No. If they have doors, and my previous shul, like when used to down on Shabbos, yeah, there were doors. Just remember, there were doors, but there's no design whatsoever on these doors, so there is no problem whatsoever. Okay, it is similarly permitted to draw the sides together. This is because the two halves are not attached. Okay. It is preferable. So, I mean, what was the problem when we have the magnetic board? Just give us them, and you put these letters together, one to next to another, so they are attached, right, to common background. But here they're not. Okay. It is preferable, however, when the two halves are united design, to leave them slightly apart before Yom Tov, and avoid close them entirely on Yom Tov. That's it. So that's before Yom Tov, they're not attached, and after Yom Tov, but go try to do it, because there are so many people coming. Like one is open, one is closing. That's, I think it's proper to consult the Rabbi, God-fearing Rabbi who knows the laws, and just do one curtain or one door, or door. If you insist on doors so much, so do it without design, without pictures. That's it.